Hello viewers, thank you for watching our channel. From our previous video, we talked about the formula for solving quadratic equation. So today, we want to work on some examples that made us to use this formula to solve any quadratic equation that we come across. So from here, we've already copied it out that this formula, based on our first video, that allow us to arrive at this equation. So we want to input our example, this very first example, into this equation. So let's see. So we'll pick it like this. A equals like this one. We just pick out this first one. A equals 3. Then B equals, like we have here, minus 5. Then C equals minus 7. All the idea is just, we'll pick this formula now, because our equation will come like this. Then with this one, we put it inside the formula that we have here. So that's why we went through like this, that this very first A stands for 3 that we have here. Then this B stands for minus 5 that we have here. Then this C stands for minus 7 that we have here. So we now want to input everything inside our equation. So let's go further. So X equals this minus B here. We have B here stand for this. To now become B on its own is negative that we have here already. This negative, you put it out, bracket, this negative 2, negative 5, close bracket like this. Then plus or minus, we put it out, root B squared. So we have B is negative 5. So we open the bracket, minus 5, close the bracket, squared. Already stand for it. Then minus 4, we have 4 here, times. We have our A here is 3. Put down our 3, times. Then our C here is minus 6. So close the bracket, 7. Then all over, everything all over this 2 times A that we have here. A here that we'll put here is 3. So we'll put 3 here. So let's try to work on it now. So let's start from here now. Negative times negative is give you positive. So we have x equals 5. Then plus or minus root. See now, this one now, we have negative 5. So that means, and it has a raised to power 2. 5 times 5, 25. Minus times minus is going to give you plus. So we have 25 here. Then here too, let's hold on first. So 4 times 3 is 12. That means negative 4 times positive 3 is going to give us negative 12. So negative 12 times negative 7, this particular 7, I think it's going to give us 84. Here is going to be, it's now going to be minus 84. No, plus, sorry, negative 12 times this is going to give us positive 84. So that's why we have plus 84 here. Everything all over. Let's do it all over. This one, 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. So let's try to expatiate more. So we have x equals 5 plus or minus. When you add 25 plus 84, is going to give us 109. 109 all over 6. All over 6. So from here now, if we check the square root, we need to check the square root of this. And from our calculator, so it's giving us 10.444. So we have 10.44 here for our square root. The square root. So we now put it like this: x equals 5 plus or minus 10.44 all over 6. So with this one now, we now expatiate it. We expand it to now become x equals 5 plus 10.44 all over 6, or 5 minus 10.44 all over 6. So from here now, let's add it together. If you add these ones together, it will give you 15.44 all over 6. So let's divide 15 divided by 6. 15.44 divided by 6 is going to give us 2. This one is x here. X equals 2 point. We leave it in 2 decimal places, 5, 7. And mind you, this one is positive or true, so 2.57. So then here too, for this one now, if you remove this one will give you minus 5.44 all over 6. You know, this is positive 5. Remove it for negative 10.44 to give you negative 5.4. So let's see. Use 5 to divide 6. 2. Divide by 6. So it's giving us 0.91. So this one will now be x equals 0 minus to be negative 0.91. So that's it here. So we use this formula now to arrive at this answer. This is just quadratic equation, and this is how we follow. When you follow all through like this, definitely you will arrive at the answer. So let's look for another example that we have here. Let me look for my eraser, the cleaner. So let's clear it from here so that it's now. Let me just look for another example. So another example. So we have another example here that says x plus, okay, example 2, s squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Like we said the other time, so a equals, you know, we don't have anything here for now. It's just plain on its own, nothing for it. But at the same time, our a is going to just, let's leave it like it's 1. Then here we have b equals 5. Then we have c minus c equals c equals c 6. So let's now input it inside this. So it will now become x equals minus, this is minus bracket 5 plus or minus root, b is 5, so we still have 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. So this c that we have here is 6. So all over 2 times 1. So let's see if we can use this other side. Then from our equation here, this one is negative already, so it's still going to give us 5 because it's negative times negative 5. So we have x equals minus 5 plus or minus square root 25. Then 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 6, that's 24. So it's going to give us negative 24. Negative 24. So all over. Here we have 2 times 1. 2 times 1, it still remains 2 here. We still have 2 here. Then we go further. If you remove this one, to give you x equals minus 5 plus or minus root. This one will give you 1 all over 2. Then from here now, if you look for the square root of 1, it's still 1. So it will now become x equals minus 5 plus or minus 1 all over 2. So we now expand it to become x equals minus 5 plus 1 all over 2, or minus 5 minus 1 all over 2. So from here now, when you deduct this one from this, it will give you x equals minus 4 over 2, or if you add this one together, it will give you minus 6 all over 2. So this one cancel this one, this one cancel this 2. So x here equals minus 2, or x equals, if you cancel this one 1, this one 3, minus 3. I hope this video added value to you. If you want more of our video, kindly like our page and subscribe to our channel. Till our next video, I'm yours because he cares. Thank you.